So, Mr. Metcalfe, once we have our first lot of students back, our early years and our VC and VCAL, what does it look like to have in the next launch? So June 9th, what does that look like?
So on the 9th of June, school's back like it was term 1. So everyone's back on the 9th of June.
Okay. Now, does it look exactly like it was? What special things are we putting in place to ensure that people are kept safe?
Well, we'll be running timetables like first term. We are going to be very diligent about safety at the school. So we know that that students are not strong carriers and tend not to pick up the virus. But that doesn't mean that we're just resting on our laurels. So both the federal and state departments, health departments, have released information about cleaning, and we'll be following the Victorian requirements, which means extra cleaning during the day of the high touch surfaces where the virus might be left behind.
Can I ask you a question on that? So
yep.
if a student has gone into an area and touched paintbrushes in the art room, what does that look
yep.
like?
So we'll have a process where when they finish using a paintbrush, it'll be de-virused.
Okay. So, is that your term?
Yeah, that's
okay.
It's a technical term that I made up just there. Yes. So there'll be a cleaning process for the things that students touch, and other students will use the next lesson. So we have a process for that.
So we've ordered thousands and thousands of wipes.
Yep.
We have plenty of spray-on chemicals.
Yep.
In terms of playgrounds and things like that, will they be open, and what will that look like?
Yep, our playgrounds will be open. We've bought a special mister which is used by one of our maintenance staff. Will make sure that after every recess and lunchtime, the playgrounds have been zapped with disinfectant that will kill the virus.
Yeah, great. And students will be, secondary students will be encouraged to wash their hands as many times as possible.
Yep.
Primary students were doing it brilliantly before,
yes.
and no doubt will do it
yes.
brilliantly again.
Yes. So it's interesting because the health departments, federal and state, have said it's quite safe to be at school. That's what the evidence shows, that the students aren't strong transmitters of the virus. But they do go outside school. So in school, the social distancing rules in the classrooms won't apply. But because they live out in the real world, we want them to take the understanding of that I need to be distanced from people out with them. So we'll be reminding them whenever they're in a space where they can social distance, they will be social distancing.
Yeah. But in terms of day-to-day in the classroom, it's not workable to have 1.5 meters for every child.
That's right.
Every day.
That's right.
Yeah.
But we will spread them out in the classrooms as much as we can, and we won't have large gatherings of students in places where they can't be 4 square metres apart.
Great. Thank you.